Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken and dumplings. You will need 1 rotisserie chicken, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 22-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 1 16-ounce can of biscuits, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring a large pot or Dutch oven to temperature, then melt your butter. Add the onions and celery and saute for 5 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Now sprinkle in the flour and mix until your flour is golden brown. Pour in your broth, then add the cream of chicken soup, then mix until well combined. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my blog at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, then add your chicken, salt, pepper, thyme, and bay leaf. Mix well, then cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, remove the lid, then add the peas, carrots, and biscuits. Cover and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.